नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी JSCM धीराबाई सावंत इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजी अँड रिसर्चच्या वतीने प्राध्यापक शीतल माने सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचे स्वागत करते. आज आपण शिकणार आहोत ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन्स पार्ट 1. In that we will see trigonometric equations and their solutions. First of all, what is meant by trigonometric functions? तर आपल्याला माहिती आहे ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक हा वर्ड ऐकल्यानंतर कुठले फंक्शन्स तुमच्या डोळ्यासमोर येतात? तर साइन थीटा, कोसाइन थीटा, टॅन थीटा, राइट? So what is the definition of trigonometric function? That functions are real functions which relate an angle of a right angle triangle to ratios of two side lengths. Okay? आता हे जे काही आपण लिहिले तेच आपण आता डायग्रामॅटिकली बघूया. This is a well-known diagram of trigonometric functions. As you remember, this is a right angle triangle, right? It is an hypotenuse. जर आपण कर्ण म्हणतो मराठीत. This is an adjacent side and this is an opposite side of this angle theta. So you can find sin theta, cosine theta, and tan theta by using this right angle triangle. So what is the formula for sin theta? It is opposite side upon hypotenuse. If I check this theta, what is its opposite side? Its opposite side is this, right? And hypotenuse divided by this hypotenuse. Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side. So what is the adjacent side of this theta? This is our adjacent side. Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. What is tan theta? Tan theta, the formula is opposite side upon adjacent side. So these are the formulas. If I have to write the formula for cosec theta, the formula for cosec theta is exactly opposite to the formula of sin theta. That means the formula of cosec theta becomes hypotenuse upon opposite. Same way we can say sec theta is exactly opposite to this cos theta. So the formula for sec theta becomes hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Same way we can say the formula for cot theta is exactly opposite to the formula for this tan theta. So what can you say? Tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent, then cot theta becomes adjacent upon opposite. Now what is meant by trigonometric equations? First of all, we will see what is meant by equation. आता तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे इक्वेशन म्हणजे काय? तर इक्वेशन म्हणजे इक्वॅलिटी. इक्वॅलिटी म्हणजे काय? इक्वॅलिटी म्हणजे इक्वल टू साइन. Whatever on left hand side is equal to right hand side terms, that shows with the equal sign. So what is the definition of trigonometric equation? If the word comes trigonometries, that means it contains trigonometric functions, right? So what is the definition of trigonometric equation? An equation involving trigonometric function is called trigonometric equations. So what are the trigonometric functions? Sin theta, cosine theta, tan theta, sec theta. We have to make it at in equation form. That means you have to take now equal to sign. So sin theta is equal to 1. What we are writing? Sin theta is equal to 1. It's equal to sign. That becomes trigonometric equations. Tan theta is equal to 0. Or cos 3 theta is equal to cos 5 theta. That all are the examples of trigonometric equations. Then, how we find the solution of trigonometric equation? What is the procedure to find? If I have to solve any equation, that means I have to find the values which terms satisfies the equation. Now, how we find the trigonometric equation? So what is the definition? A value of variable in a trigonometric equation which satisfies the equation is called solution of trigonometric equation. जसं आपण मराठीत म्हणूया की मला इक्वेशन सॉल्व करायचे. सॉल्व करायचे याचा अर्थ काय? Suppose x square is equal to 25. I have to solve that algebraic equation. So what you are doing, you are finding x is equal to plus or minus 5, right? That means if I substitute x is equal to 5 in the equation, x square is equal to 25, then the value of that equation, or you can say the value of left hand side and right hand side is equal. एखादी इक्वेशन जर आपण सॉल्व करतो याचाच अर्थ काय, आपण त्या एक्स ची किंवा पर्टिक्युलर त्या व्हेरिएबलची व्हॅल्यू आपण फाइंड करतो ज्या व्हॅल्यूनी ते इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय होतं. सेम तसंच आपण ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन्स मध्ये करतोय. सपोज फॉर एक्झाम्पल थीटा इज इक्वल टू पाय satisfies the equation. Which equation? Cos theta is equal to -1. Suppose theta is equal to pi. If this value I satisfy, if I substitute this value in cos theta is equal to -1, if I substitute theta is equal to pi here, so what will I get? Cos pi is equal to -1. So we can say theta is equal to pi is the solution of this trigonometric equation. This is the trigonometric table. हा जर आपण ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक टेबल ऑब्झर्व केला तर कुठले अँगल्स दिसतात बघा. 0 डिग्री स्क्वेअर, 30 डिग्री, 45 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री. And what you are finding here in that column, we are writing sin A, cos A, tan A, cot A. So we are writing the sine of angle 30 degree, that is 1 by 2. Sine of 45 degree, that is 1 upon root 2. Sine of 60, that is root 3 by 2. Sine of 90, that is equal to 1. म्हणजेच आपण कोसाइनच्या व्हॅल्यू घेतलेल्या आहेत बघा. एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट दिसतंय बघा साइन 90. इफ आय ऑब्झर्व दिस टेबल, हा टेबल जर मी ऑब्झर्व केला तर यात बघा कसं लक्षात ठेवायचं हा टेबल, तर साइन 90 ची व्हॅल्यू इथे 1. तेच एक्झॅक्टली अपोजिट होते cos 0 साठी. देन sin 60 इज रूट 3 by 2. जर मी cos 30 ची व्हॅल्यू टाकली तर ती होते √3 upon 2. सेम व्हॅल्यू फॉर sin 45 and cos 45. परत बघा sin 30 ची व्हॅल्यू इकडे गेलेली आहे आता cos 60 ला, आणि सेम sin 0 ची व्हॅल्यू आता गेलेली आहे cos 90 कडे. म्हणजे काय झालं, तर साइनचा जो काही सिक्वेन्स आहे त्याचा डिसेंडिंग सिक्वेन्स इकडे आलेला. त्याच व्हॅल्यू पण तो सिक्वेन्स न येता त्याचा अपोजिट सिक्वेन्स आपण कोसाइनच्या टेबल मध्ये बघतो. सेम फॉर tan A. So what are the values of tan A? If you learn only these two columns, or you can say if I learn only these two rows, sin A and cosine A, then you can find tan A. So what is the formula for tan A? Tan A is sin A upon cos A. You can find the values of tan A. If I take reciprocal, see, if I have to find the tan 0, I have to find now tan 0. So what is the formula? Sin 0 upon cosine 0. So 0 upon 1. 0 upon 1, that you know, that is equal to 0. If I take next column, suppose I have to find tan 30. I have to find tan 30. So the ratio of sin 30 upon cos 30. जर मी या दोघांचा रेशो घेतला तर काय कॅन्सल होईल बघा. 2 will get cancelled. So what is remaining? At numerator 1 is remaining, and at denominator √3 is remaining. So the value 1 upon √3. तर अशा सगळ्या tan A च्या व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही तयार करू शकता. तशाच cot A. cot A चा जर तुम्हाला फॉर्म्युला माहिती असेल, cot A means cos A upon sin A. म्हणजे काय करतोय आपण, अगेन वी आर टेकिंग द रेशो, but the sequence is different now. Cos A upon sin A. So that is cot A. Sec A. Sec A means 1 upon cos A. Cosec A means 1 upon sin A. तर छोटे छोटे जे फॉर्म्युले तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवले तर हा डायरेक्टली तुमचा टेबल लर्न होऊ शकतो. नेक्स्ट, प्रिन्सिपल सोल्युशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन. मला प्रिन्सिपल सोल्युशन काढायचे ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इक्वेशन. So a solution of trigonometric equation is the value of the unknown angle that satisfies the equation. For example, solving an equation means to find a set of all values of the unknown value. They satisfy the given equation. The solution lying between 0 to 2 pi. This is important. The solution lying between 0 degree to 36 degree. And that solution are called principal solution. Suppose we are taking the example, find the principal solution of cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2. I have to find principal solution of this cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2. So what is the procedure? What is the solution? As you know, what is cos pi by 3? As we know, cos pi by 3, that is equal to 1 by 2, right? And what is this pi by 3? Definitely, it lies in between 0 to 2 pi. That means pi by 3 is the principal solution. Now, by allied angle formula, what is the formula? Cos theta is equal to cos of 2 pi minus theta. That is our formula. So, cos pi by 3. What is the value of theta? आपली जी काही थीटाची व्हॅल्यू आहे काय आहे आपला थीटा? तर थीटा आहे आपला pi upon 3. We are substituting the value cos pi by 3. So it becomes cos of 2 pi minus pi by 3. कुठून आली ही व्हॅल्यू? तर आपण अलाइड अँगलचा जो फॉर्म्युला आहे त्या फॉर्म्युलामध्ये थीटाची व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट केली आणि हे कॅल्क्युलेशन केलं. व्हॉट इज द कॅल्क्युलेशन ऑफ दिस ब्रॅकेट? इट बिकम 5 pi upon 3. And again, definitely it is 5 pi upon 3. It is lies in between 0 to 2 pi. Or you can say it is lies in between 0 degree to 36 degree. So what can you say? 5 pi upon 3 is also a principal solution. That means here we are getting two principal solutions. One is pi upon 3 and another is 5 pi upon 3. Thank you.